Hey, it's Scott coming to you here live from my home in Sugarloaf. Just let me readjust my camera for you guys. So, if you have not smashed the subscribe and that bell, I want you to smash the subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss a video from me again. And I'm going to quickly take you through this done for you. Yes, you heard me. It's completely done for you. Where you only need an hour a day to monitor your email. It's email based, and ask yourself this question. Do you want to make $800, $2,400, $4,000 per sale that we make for you? Answer that in your question in your head. I'm guarantee you it's yes, okay? So what you're going to do, this link is in the description below. So after watching all this and me showing you your bonuses at the end of this video, be sure to go in the description of the first comment and get to this link here so you can start reviewing it for yourself. Get in touch with my team, but I'm getting ahead of myself. So let's go. Once you put your email address in there, folks, you're going to come to the whole kit and caboodle here. It's going to explain to you in 14 minutes right here exactly how you can make money, what it's about, and what it is. So you're going to want to click the link in the description below. All right, and after you watch that, you're going to want to come into our bonus area. And this is where this gets great. This is not only a bonus area, this is the sales page. This explains the product. What is the product? The product is advertising. In affiliate marketing, we do advertising. We all need traffic. We all need leads. We all need autoresponders, websites, and guess what, folks? OCM does all of that for you. So what I'm going to want you to do is watch all of this right here. It's 12 minutes and 52 seconds long. Watch this. It explains how the traffic works versus other traffic. I've been with this long term now. As you can see behind me, it's a 50K trophy with this company. So let's take you down now to this is where the meat meets the potatoes, all right? Right here. This is where the meat is going to meet the potatoes. So you're going to scroll down here after you reviewed everything, and I'm going to show you more testimonials here in a minute on this page, but you're going to see a phone number here to call. And that number is the number you're going to call to get your questions answered, to get started. And what you're going to do is you're going to say, Scott Darvid sent you. Now, guess what, folks? You're going to get a duplicate of this. You're going to get the same exact system, except it's going to have your name on it. And people are going to call this number, tell them you sent it. You're going to get paid $800, $2,400, and $4,000, okay? Carol is D. She's very happy with the system here. And I want to show you two quick bonuses here. Bonus number one. You don't need to speak to anybody. We do it all for you. All the selling and telling's done for you. We make the sales. They make the sales for you. 100% of the commission, just as if you were to sell them yourself. I had one on Friday. And these direct sales are $800, $2,400, and $4,000. So now I'm going to take you into the back office, and I'm going to show you, I'm just showing you more testimonies like Dan F. right here, 12,800 in just 12 days. Michael C's results. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you into my back office, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do for you, okay? So another one here, Kevin C, 6,400 in just 1 week. It's unbelievable. There's the owner, Bob. We have zero out of pocket option here if you want to check that out. This is step-by-step how to join. It's very simple to join. And now let me take you over to my members area. And as you can see, I'm a diamond member. And how's the pricing go? So if you join at the diamond, all right, this is $5,000. You join at the diamond, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to send $1,000 worth, 1,000 clicks to your order, and see what the difference is with our discount. That's what it's all about. It's about the discount on premium $1 to $1.25 clicks that I've been paying since 2018. So if you start at the diamond, I'm sending 1,000 people to your link. 1,000 people are going to your link right here that the company makes for you. All right, Scott. So you're saying what happens if I don't come in at the diamond? So guess what, folks? We have a platinum right here. This is 3,000. What I'm going to do for you with the platinum is you're going to get a 300 click order. All right, 300 clicks to your capture page. Okay, that's what it's going to be. 300 clicks to your capture page, so you could get people running to your autoresponder and calling what? the done for you team that's made me close to $100,000. And now this is a $3,000 product package, and the platinum right here, the gold membership, this is $1,000. When you start here, I'm going to send you 100 clicks from another provider that I've been using. So that's what this is, a traffic provider. But to get here, what we need to do is you need to smash the subscribe, hit the bell, okay? You're gonna, in the video here, you're gonna come down here, you're gonna put your email address in, okay? It's gonna give you access. Then you're gonna come over to here, you're gonna watch this video, okay? Then you're gonna come over to this page here, alright? This is step by step. Watch this video, review this page, then call this number, tell them I sent you, you've seen this on a YouTube channel. And that is it, folks. How easy is that? Well, thank you for joining me on this video today. I hope to be sending you 1,000 clicks of leads, hungry leads who want to buy this product, because this is a product everyone wants. It's completely done for you. So I look forward to connecting. I'll see you on next video. Be sure to smash subscribe, hit the bell, check the links out in the description and the first comment. Bye for now.